scary, so we'll take it slow. Want to slip. Check each footing. There we go. Just did this, so can't be that hard. Look how deep it is. See how deep it is? Look. Whoa. Going back. Cool. We made it. And the last one here. Last one.